This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the exact channel that uploaded the reel. This step matters because account access controls what you can change. Once signed in, open YouTube Studio, go to Content, and filter for Shorts or the video type. Then locate the reel and click the pencil icon to open the video details. You're starting the actionable edit now. Make sure to work from desktop if possible, because the change process differs on mobile and some options hide otherwise. You'll find the thumbnail section inside the video details. Scroll until it's visible. Click Upload Thumbnail and pick a prepared 1280 by 720 image under 2 MB, ideally, JPG or PNG, because YouTube enforces size and format. If the upload button is disabled, stop and verify your channel. You must be channel verified and in good standing to use custom thumbnails. Once the file is selected, make sure the preview looks right before moving to the next step. After uploading, click Save immediately. Then refresh the video page and confirm the thumbnail displays. You want to see the change live. If it doesn't appear, clear your browser cache or open the video in an incognito window. Sometimes changes take up to 24 hours to propagate across servers. If problems persist, verify your channel email and channel verification status, and check for copyright or policy flags that disable custom thumbnails. Resolving those issues restores the upload option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.